Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. It took them so long to send it to me that I even forgot that I did this haul. So I opened the box. It's a huge box. I opened it, as you guys can see, because I was like, what is this? I had no clue what this package was. I was like, I bought something? I had no clue I bought something. So anyway, if you guys want to see what I bought in my Boxycharm add-on, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I got was this Sigma Brush Shampoo Foam. It's 100% natural brush cleanser. This is what it looks like. That's the box. I love the metallic-y, futuristic look to the box. And then this is what it looks like. It's a pump, so I like that this is a pump because a lot of brush shampoos, you have to lather them up. This, I love that you can just pump it and you're good to go. So this is what it looks like. I'm very excited to use this. This is very chic. It's giving you very chic and classy vibes. So can't wait to use this. The next thing I got was a angle brush. This is what it looks like. And it's by the brand Bodyography Pro. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside the plastic. So this is what the brush looks like. The next thing I got was this cool little contraption. So I'm all about the environment. I actually have a lot of metal straws, but this was kind of cool because I have a whole bunch of metal straws, but the packaging to bring them to either to work or if I'm going out with friends or whatever is huge. And I like that this is nice and small, so it's easy to travel with. So it says drink well, travel often. And it is a stainless steel reusable straw set. 2 stainless steel straws, 1 cleaning brush, and 1 carrying case. So let's open it up. Ooh la la. So these are the 2 straws here, and it has a cleaner inside of it. I like this. Very nice. They say swig? Is this swig? On the end, swig? I don't know if it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be an I. But these are my straws. See the swig on the end of them? Over here. ASMR. Chopsticks. Alright, so very cute, very cute. So I could carry these with me. People think I'm crazy. I'll be out to dinner and I'll pull out my metal straws and people are like, and I'm like, because I love my metal straws and it's good for the environment. So they say save a turtle's lives and don't use plastic straws. All right, so the next thing I got was this is cool. I don't know how you pronounce this. Coolcio. I'm not sure. But it's a cooling spot therapy with hemp and green tea. It's a temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. So this is what it looks like. Directions: apply a small amount to temple or back of neck. All right, I want to smell this to see what it smells like. So let's see here. It smells just like a peppermint. Like if you had, ooh, that was like a whiff full. But it smells just like a peppermint. Moving along though, The next thing I got is some brushes. These are some Sigma brushes. I love brushes. So I saw they had some brushes. I had to get them. So they came in a little contraption like this. And like I said, all of this stuff is like 80% off. So it's like, do I ever need the stuff I'm buying? No. But I mean, for the price, why not? So these are the 4 brushes that come in this set. So let me take them out the plastic so you can get a better view. This is my first time trying Sigma brushes. I do not have or own any Sigma brushes. So these are what the brushes look like. Let me see if I can get it where you can see with this Sigma. So these are the brushes here. Very nice brushes. So let's see here. This brush, I guess you can use to clean under your brows. This is a nice little brush you can use for like your crease. This looks like either concealer brush. You can use it as a lip brush. And this one you can use for the crease as well. So very excited for my new brushes from Sigma. Curious to see how their brushes work because I heard a lot of good things about Sigma brushes. The next thing I got is this planner. It says, I am very busy. So first of all, does anybody want to take a guess why I got this? Let me see if my YouTube veterans know me well. All right, I'll give you guys a second. Give up? Alrighty. It's because it's pink! Yay! First I saw that this was pink, and I have like, I want to say like 3 planners now, currently. And I don't need another one, but I love that this was pink, first of all. And I am always booked and busy, always busy, like between my full-time job, currently doing now, and full-time doing YouTube videos 5 to 7 days a week. I am always very busy, don't have a lot of free time to myself, so this is so me. So I was like, let me get this planner. I like that it was for the up-and-coming year. So let's see here. It has like a little strap to keep it closed. Wow, I like this. And my planner that I have now, the spirals, like it keeps coming off the spirals. So I also noticed that this, like how it was made, it won't, oh actually it could come off the spirals too. Darn it. If you can see in the back, like I've had this problem with a lot of my planners, like the stuff comes off the spiral, which kind of sucks, but you know. But let's see here. So it has all the months. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. I like that there's a lot of writing space in here. I like it. I'm excited. I may switch over to this. I don't know yet. It has like where you put your information in. And then it has like a lot of writing space too, because I like to write stuff as well and take notes. I'm a Virgo, so we're very OCD. So we have to like plan everything, write everything out. So very excited for this. Very, very excited for this. I think only Virgos get excited to plan stuff and like be organized. Like most people wouldn't care to be organized, but like I love organization. Like, it just does something to me. Comment down below if you're a Virgo like me, then you'll understand. But yes, so it's a 17-month planner from August 2020 to December 21. So it says it has monthly themes to help you feel your best. It has lots of note pages, tons of stickers, interactive personality profile, a pocket for your game plans, and much more. And this is by the brand Bando. So I'm very excited for this. This planner belongs to Aisha. So if you guys see my hauls, I recently just got like some colored pens. Like, I'm such a dork. Like, I really am such a dork. I got a little postcard in here. Who uses postcards? Does people still use postcards? I would be the one to still use it. Got some stickers. Some lovely stickers and fun stuff like that. So very excited to be organized. I'm already organized, but I keep switching planners. Since I've had, I don't know, I think this is like my second time switching my planner. I have one for like home stuff, bills and stuff like that. That's like all like not work related. Then I have one for work related. Then I have another one that's work related. It's just, yeah, that's a Virgo for you. Either you love us or you hate us. The next thing I got is this clear bag that I want to just use for like work. It's huge. I had recently bought like a clear bag. I don't know if I got it from Boxycharm or where I got it from, but I know I bought a clear bag during my pop-up. One of the pop-ups. Got my handy dandy blade here. Of course, if I had a blade, it would be pink, of course. Alrighty, let's see. It's very big. I like it. Look at that. You can see me. Hi. So I got this lovely bag. This is by the brand Shop Onyx. No, Sonic. Shop Sonic. I'm sorry. This is the bag. So there we go. Very cute. Very, very cute. I'm here for it. I'm here for the see-through bags. Excited to use this bag though. Very nice. And it's big and it fits a lot of stuff. But that concludes everything that I got in my Boxycharm add-ons. What did you guys get for your Boxycharm add-ons? Anything fun? What did you think about mine? Let me know in the comments down below how you felt about my haul. If you haven't already, and you watched this whole video, then that means you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up to show your support. I really appreciate it. It helps out with my channel. And that's it. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I see you guys all in my next video.